So in addition to the normal template, your default for when you're using blank documents, and the templates that are available online through Microsoft Office, you can also create your own templates so that you have a good starting point for if you want to, if you've got a kind of file that you're making frequently or a particular task that you need to do repeatedly, you can create a template that works with that information and gives you a sort of better starting point for getting your work going. So here we've got, for example, the kind of document you might want to use as a template. So we've got our sort of product proposal document where if you're making a lot of proposals, you can fill in the information that you've got here. You've got a style set up, you've got headings and categories of different things that you might frequently need in new documents. So if you wanted to sort of take this document and make it a template so that you could use it frequently, it's really easy to do that. So we've got this document here. If we go to our File menu in the top left of our Word screen and go down to Save As, the way to make a document a Word template is you click on the drop-down menu here for File Type, and then you select Word Template. So we can see right now, if I were to save this document as it was, it's defaulting to where that document is currently stored, which is in my Documents folder. If I go down and I select Word Template, we can see that default file path has shifted to Documents Custom Office Templates. So what that means is that there is a folder already sort of built into Microsoft Word, this Custom Office Templates folder, that if you save your template there, it's going to be really easy to find that template for when you use it. So I'm going to go ahead and save my document here as a template. And now I can go ahead and if I want to create a new document, I can find that document in my templates. So we can see if I go to File and then New, we can see we've got the selection of Office templates that are available, but we've also got a new option that wasn't here before, and that's our Personal selection. So Office is going to search in Microsoft Office for online templates that are useful. Personal is going to find that sort of Custom Office Templates folder that it created for us, and it's going to pull those documents to be used as the template for your new document. So we can see if I select this template, even though I selected, you can see here, if I go back, even though I selected that product proposal document, and even though we saw that the sort of file path that document was saved as, when I select New, it's not actually changing that template itself, right? So it's creating a new document based on this template in the sort of standard Word file format. So using these templates is a great way to go ahead and get a head start on some of the work you may need to be doing. And as we can see, it's really easy to get set up. It's as simple as saving as the document template file type. And once you've done that, it's always going to be available right there for you to create new documents based on this template and get moving on your work really quickly.